What's going on, y'all? Kevin Reese here, back with another video today. Really quick, I want to show y'all something, and I've gotten questions about this before. On these ATVs, snowmobiles, UTVs, if they go into limp mode, people say it's in limp mode, it won't go over like 5 miles an hour, it's sputtering and all that. What could be wrong with it? I'm going to show y'all a very common issue that will throw your ride into limp mode. Now, something that can happen if you're riding along, say for some reason your drive belt breaks, flies off. What happens inside to not cause any further damage in your belt covers? You notice all your belt covers have little switches and things like that on top of them, wires coming out. So this particular box right here with the wire that hooks up, I'm going to show y'all the inside of this so that y'all can see. If you look really close, you can see here it says on, and then here it says off. Now this switch right here, the direction that your belt is turning, if it were to break and fly off and it hits this, I want y'all to listen. That turns it off. This puts your vehicle into limp mode. And this is just a safety feature. So something to check always is make sure that this is actually flipped to on. And some of them may be different. They may have a different setup, but this is a Kawasaki brute force. I want to say it's pretty common across all different manufacturers, but off, on. So this switch right here. Also, you could have a malfunction in this switch that could be causing it to be in the limp mode also. But this is just a thing to check. Also, I've had people, and they may have overlooked this, and that's why I'm pointing this out, is they did a drive belt replacement. They had their cover off. They may had inadvertently, accidentally click this off, put it back on. Now it's in limp mode. They don't know why. Now it's not running right. They said, I put a new belt on and now it's not working. Well, this is just a common thing that could happen. And as y'all can see, it would be very easy to do. Just make sure that that's flipped to on and you should be good to go. And I hope that's helped y'all out. Pass it on to your riding buddies. I'm Kevin Reese. Like, comment, subscribe. Check me out on Instagram, Snapchat, and Facebook. And I'll see y'all in the next video.